yeah. Have you been stuck in a rut before? I am. I think a little bit still into it, but finding my way out of this rut. I used to be so disciplined. My day would start at 5 a.m. A routine I kept to stay on top of everything, trading, work, and my personal life. But somewhere along the line, things changed. I started sleeping, sneaking the snooze too often, showing up too late at work. And as my routine started falling apart, it affected more than just my job. It threw me off entire balance. In trading, a routine isn't just helpful, it's essential. Every successful trader, I think, should stick to one because it brings structure, focus, and a sense of control. Without it, trading can feel chaotic. I did underestimate the power of routine, and I realized that when I lost my routine, I didn't just lose time, I lost focus and even started making mistakes that I normally wouldn't have. That's where risk management comes in. But it's really at last line of defense. When I wasn't on my routine, I felt different. Trading is a game of precision, of habits built over time. And when those habits slips, you expose yourself to unnecessary risk. I made mistakes that I could have avoided, but following my usual plan. But at the same time, those mistakes taught me valuable lessons. The importance of protecting yourself through a strong risk management, especially when life gets a little messy. So, I'm getting back to my track, rebuilding my routine, reminding myself of why I started in the first place. It's about creating structure that keeps me grounded in work, in trading, and in life. And each time I stick to my routine, I'm setting myself up for success. I'm just giving myself the stability I need to keep growing. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys should I say a day with me to go view some apartments. And I want you guys to watch this video not more like should I say a show off or anything, but an inspiration and a motivation in order, should I say, finding possible ways I could help myself financially to be free and live that life that has always been in my head. And yes, do not forget, should mistake the, should I say, this video for a luxury kind of selling courses and the rest of the stuff. So I hope this video is insightful and you enjoy, so keep on. Hi guys, welcome to this live video. We just should I say, we're on the trade and yeah, measures, we're up $90. We took some losses, but we maintain our risk, which I will still go over this trade. And this trade I took these losses are trades I'm still going to take over and over again. And if you go to this was the first entry here. We select this new at 3 level. We expanded up, which is displacement. We shifted the market trigger. Coming back into this day, I would have missed it because I was still at work. And now price displaced up. This day night I saw it was like, okay, this is a good trade potential. I drew my feet from the low to the high. When price started retracing OTP, so I looked to high. As you can see, price is almost at TP before price is retracing back down. But we're still looking for more expansion to the upside. And if you look at the day one, there's a key level where I saw that stands up. And we know that this is a high probability order block. High probability order block is when you have a swing high and have another block below it, and price comes to sweep still. You can see how price immediately rejected profit after hitting it. So right now, we're looking forward to price maybe probably coming for this swing high, but the Wednesday high. But using the weekend hour of triggers, Wednesday creating below the week, going down to the 4 hour. Going down to the 4 hour, you can see that how the bodies of these candles are respecting this order block. So you can see, so many consolidation, price went down, which we know this was the news. And then price, the bodies are expecting this order block. So we're expecting price to this high, very soon, upside for the 1 hour. We are looking for entry. So I would have entered from after this displacement of, I would have used my switch from this low to this high, OTP. I would have entered at this candle, still maintaining my stop loss. Price didn't take me as expected. And when I saw this expansion to the upside, I thought about this trade. But let's just look at OTP. So if I should come to the discounts again, we're looking to buy. So I drew my OTP level and price just to trigger my
Yeah, relating it with DXY, I can see that price did an SMT. So you see, price went this highs, then it came down. Price is taking out to taking out this. But we don't want to be trapped on the wrong side, so we're looking for this trade just as consider it's just we're not trying to fancy or all that. So I'm just going to have some rest and probably go to bed and rest up. So we see back in that. Enjoy. Okay, I'm still going to do a video to explain this. As you guys can see, if you look at this, you can see that we have been maintaining our risk and still ended this thing with positive P&L. Go to Costa last week, you can see $200. But overall, we're still up $400 in the account, and we're up 1% right now in this trade. We're up 1% on this trade. So it's up fine. Peace. From yesterday, you guys know this is the same setup I was looking at GBP USD. I got to wicked out of the trade by this candle. As you can see, even when price closes above this fair value gap, price has just been in this buy side liquidity right here, but still obeying this market structure of the daily. Price does not close with the body yet, so if price should close with the body, then that would be a big market structure, which is see how the body is respecting. So I'm still expecting a push down, but GBP USD is just what it is right now, so I'm no longer looking at it. Rather, what I'm looking at is Euro USD. That's what I'm looking to take this afternoon. So as you can see how the bodies of these candles are just respecting here, so that's until that price is going to smash down. Before I was looking for more confirmation for price to close in this fair value gap, use it as resistance to continue down, but seeing how these bodies are just respecting this OTE and also this breaker block and this other block, that's just for confirmation, and that's why I just entered the trade. I entered one at market execution and entered one at a sell limit, so that's it for now. And right now I just journaled it and I just checked on my checklist and it aligns with the trade setup, and I'm just going to let the trade run. No matter what happens, let it happen. And I already recorded the GBP USD loss already, so you guys can see it's just a week out, but we're still existing on the trade idea, and this will be our last attempt on this, because in my trading management I say daily loss, okay, multiple entries on one trade idea or movement, so attempts permitted on a single trade idea or movement. Trading on this current trade idea is no longer permitted. So if I should take a loss on this particular trade again, I might be looking to do away with the idea and just let price do its own thing. So right now, let's just allow price to do its thing. Even though the return is going from is not going to happen, I'm not going to be stepping back. It might be disappointing, but it's not diminished. Okay, so you see that you do it her way or we do it my way. So no giving up, no backing down. You're still sticking on the plan. By His grace, we're gonna get it. So right now we're gonna get ready. Then me and her we're gonna be meeting up at Spa. And then from Spa we'll be heading over to go view the listeners, and hopefully something great is gonna come out of this. I'm optimistic about it. So let's get ready to go. My place of work. I'm going to be dropping my preps, like my workloads. I'll be commuting to work from the apartment, so I'm just going to drop my
workloads at work and then sit around and then wait for my partner to arrive. So right now I'm just gonna do some work while I wait. So we are at an apartment, Amazon luxury apartment, a 2-bedroom apartment. So we're gonna be going around checking it out and showing you guys some of its looks and interior. So here is the sitting room. Nice lighting. Here as well. Come on, go see the bedroom. Before we go to the other, let's check this out. Could you literally stay here and think about your future? You could literally stay here and think about your future. So nice. People then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. For those that love Europe, all the men, they can say, ride the boat, I know be, die for nothing. What's it go?
schemes and packaging. In a one night, four shows, I'm juggling. Road, motion, court, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Who's secrets? When it comes to money, and they concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shit, I'll be here to stay. But my people then go say, I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want jump life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? Jiwago, all the men, the gadget, right? I go feet, die for nothing. What's it come? Jiwago, all the men, the gadget, I go put, I know feet, good no bad, oh no.
This is the first time that I've seen like really gym equipment. They left everything. Normally they used to remove one. Yeah. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. I'm stopped, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on it. You two should be coming.
Hi guys, we just finished looking over these houses, and right now we're going to be checking out some more, and then later I'm meeting up with the management and try to get more terms and conditions regarding the apartment. And yeah, this is just to encourage you guys that even though you're disappointed, it's not diminished. You can still go on, push through it. Do not do not wait for opportunity to create itself. Go on, create opportunities for yourself, and just that's key to doing. And let's just go forward with what we need to do today. Just finished, so we're heading over to go have brunch, right? Brunch. Because we didn't have breakfast, we were rushing to get it done, and as God may have it, we're done, so we're just going over to go get something to eat, and then I do a little bit of trade with her to show you guys how the week has been, and literally then check out the gym as well. Then from there I'll come into to work, and then she too should go over her meeting as well. So sit back, relax, and continue enjoying the video. I think they are doing a sell-off.
This is like it's been a year or 2 years, sir. It's been a year or 2 years. They stopped last year. If not because of this gym, that actually would have been the best for us.
Let's have our lunch and breakfast, and then we're over to go look for the gym. So come. Like when I'm on a no sugar diet, routine like this, we just see sugar hungry me left and right. But when I'm not restricting myself on all these things, I'll not even be craving for them.
Yeah, you're not paying for it.
I'm not seeing ice cream now. Ice cream just.
When I was on a no sugar diet, the first month,
Hell. And do you know the funniest thing about going on diet? You know, going on diet is expensive. Because now you're selecting the stuff you eat and trying to get the stuff you eat.
I'm not just buy biscuits and hold yourself.
Like, you know that time I ate chicken and cucumber. It's crazy. The road to success is not easy.
It's not easy.
But your body has to be fit. Alright, let me just use the opportunity.
So, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm making some trading mistakes, and I just wanted to take you guys over some of the trades so far and how the trade has been, or how the week has been. So, we're going to be using my Notion USD trade. You guys can see that the trade later on went to full take profits, but we closed out this trade because of fear, and we closed out the trade on negative minus $14. So you can see finally price went up and took out the highs, which you guys saw the breakdown was a sweep, a displacement, then retracement into the optimal trade entry that will look to buy. But I didn't enter at this entry. I entered after a retracement back into this place. Price went up almost at TP. Price retraced back, and this was now when price went to go and hit a profit. And I actually did felt bad about the trade. So during the week, this was the trade. This trade I took those losses are still trades I'm still going to take over and over again in my account because it's met the criteria. As you guys can see from GBP USD, from here I was anticipating that we are in a sell model for price to come to this as the next draw on liquidity. If you go to the forecasting, this was where we got wicked out at the trade. We got wicked out. So we're expecting after a sweep, we got a displacement and this swing low was taken out. We're expecting a dip into this fair value gap for us to continue down. Okay, but I guess this was not a proper grab of liquidity. Price left a relatively poor high, which was why price did go up more to take out the highs. And as you can see, DXY, we're using DXY to correlate it, and as you can see from this other block, price displaced of retracement to optimal entry for price to take out the external range liquidity. Then if we look furthermore into the forecasting, and even in real time, you'll see that price actually did take out the external range liquidity, but price took me out before actually going to our intended direction. As you can see right here, this was the trade we got taken out here, and as you can see finally price came to the external range liquidity. But here is where I would have entered the trade, but I missed it because I wasn't available in my charts. I was at work then, so this was the trade I was looking forward to, which price missed me out before eventually going to the direction we were expecting. So going over Euro USD as well, going over Euro USD, these are the trades I'm going to take over and over again in my account. So if you look at Euro USD, so after I said that price took me out in that GBP USD, I was still looking forward to actually take this trade in my account in Euro USD because Euro USD was still materializing at that point. As you can see, we got a sweep, we got a displacement, took out the swing low, retracement to FUG, optimal trend entity for us to come and take out this external range and come to this liquidity point, which was what I'm expecting. Then if you look at it, met all the checklists. So after that, price went into the OTs. You can see how many times price was respecting with the body. Price was respecting the body. Finally, price did go down. But the funny thing here is price did go down almost at TP. Price reversed back on me. So as you can see, price reversed back on me. Price didn't take out the external range liquidity. But then again, if you look at DXY, price did take out the external range. See from here, correlating with what I showed you guys in DXY, price did take out the highs I was anticipating, and then the lows I was anticipating USD was not taken out, which now caused an SMT. That's a crack in correlation, which was now why the price did a buy. Should I say parallel to FOMC. So going over to this week, this last trade, November. So November, we've just taken a loss in USD CHF. Just taking a loss in USD CHF, which eventually I'm going to play the recap of what happened and why I found out that the trade was not valid again.
This is the kind of trade I can say that yes, it's approaching my stop loss, and I don't need to hold it on. Right. So as you can see, price came into this gap, filled it up, and smashed up to this value gap. Looking at it in USD CHF, price already heading to stop loss. So I was hoping from the 4-hour point of view that we're already reversing. As we closed down this, we went up again. We smashed down, we took out this low, we traced back up again, came down, went up again. But right now, the trade is not valid, so we'll be taking out soon. If you look at it in DXY, see that price is forming the setup in the lower time frame. 15 minutes. 15 minutes, you can see. This is sweep, this is an expansion to the upside. But why I actually did enter this trade, this is sweep, and then this is an expansion to continue to the upside. Where is the USD share sweep it? Yes. Whoa, what was I? Are you being serious? This is SMT already now. Why didn't I see this? This is SMT. SMT? DXY didn't sweep it. Ah, I didn't see that. Whoa, this does. Wow, I didn't see that. This SMT. Oof, crazy. I should just close up the trade. There's no need holding up. Ah, I've already been taken out, if I'm sure. I've been taken out. I know. Whoa, painful. So to recover this loss right here, what we'll be looking forward to, as we've already seen what happened, what we'll be looking forward to is from here to this high. We're looking to buy it up above here. So something like this to go long for these highs. Turn back into this is a buy. And supposed to be below this. And then 1 hour. And down to the 1 hour. Which is SMT. We got Friday sweeping Thursday low. Friday swept Thursday low. And then what I'm anticipating is this high to be taken out for a break of market structure. So price coming back into this range we're buying. Then targeting this highs here. This index, as you can see, 30 minutes. Me as this is that this gap acted as support, price close above it. Now we took out this swing high. It's going to swing high. So price is tracing back down. Price is going up.
This is just a form of me sharing with you guys that risk management is important in trading. Making these mistakes or missing out on trades came as a form of not understanding that I need to still hold on to my routine no matter what I'm doing in order for me to scale through in life. Again, I found out that I started going too late to work. I started feeling tired. I started feeling exhausted because every day I wake up, I don't have a structured way of doing things again. I'm always making impromptu decisions in my head, and as such, it was weighing on me. Okay, so that was why I was like, wow, this is the importance of routine. And so far, I've been looking for ways like I've been in this rut of feeling unmotivated, uninspired, in the sense that everything like you guys see me doing in this video is not to show off or anything, but these are the kind of life I want to live: calm, doing my business, going out, viewing houses, coming home, trading. And I felt a kind of, should I say, a kind of weight on me, not trying to push forward. And I was like, these are your dreams, even though it's not going to be like boom. These are the little steps I'm going to take in order to make it come to reality. Okay, I'm going to view the housing today. I was supposed to go with my partner, but the one she booked, well, we were disappointed. I was like, I texted her, girl, we are disappointed, but we are not diminished. Okay, we need to go on and do this. It's like we're not going to do it your own way, rather we're going to do it our own way. Okay, thinking about it isn't doing the thing. Writing about it isn't doing the thing. Like, should I say, making plans on how you're going to do the thing isn't doing the thing. Like, researching on how to do the thing isn't doing the thing. The actual doing the thing is actually doing the work that is needed. Okay, and I'm so proud of myself. Like, even with the whole disappointment we got in the morning, we stepped out, and at the end of the day we got a listening and we viewed the apartment, we made videos, and we're going to uploading it. And yes, my shortlet business page is at Comfy Lux Home, and it's just something I want to be doing part-time because eventually I know trading is going to work for me, but I need to build myself in a place that I have financial freedom. I'm free. Like, I wake up every day, I'm going to the gym, I'm trading, I'm doing other stuff in my life, just being happy. But I know it's the little steps that, should I say, that brings about the bigger steps. Okay, and trying to build all these things now, sometimes I feel this nausea, doing so many things at the same time. But I feel like those experience I got before are just what helped me today. And everything is just experience and everything is just compounding. And it's just so amazing that this journey have taught me a lot about myself and about life as a whole. Get Just take the step, push forward, and you will even be amazed by what is going to come out. Like, next week, we're still maintaining routine. That's why I'm actually looking for a gym that I might be visiting to, should I say, work on myself. I'm on no sugar diet because something else I found out is being on a no sugar, eating everything is not good for your system, because in order for you to be, should I say, in your full capacity to be flexible to do things, you have to be mindful of what you eat, how you take care of your body, what you feed your brain, what your mindset is eating. Okay, because if you're consuming a lot of food, you become weak, your body becomes weak, but you have to train your body to be strong. So I've been avoiding sugar, although it's been kind of struggle doing that, but I've been finding a way to do it, and so far it's been interesting. And right now I'm just thankfully I'm able to make this video now, so we're just going to go check out the gym, and after the gym I can then commit to work from here. So
Hello, good afternoon, sir. Please, we're looking for the gym. Yeah. Sorry. I wasn't expecting this though. Mama, here. I just finished making an inquiry. Thank you. What did they say? The price is nice. Well, we're looking forward to the beginning of this month. They have money section and savings section. Three assistants. Unless when I'm working morning, afternoon shift, I can come in the morning. I think we're done for toast to a successful day today with our water. We got our checklist done, so we'll be looking forward to register for the gym. It's hot. Alright, now we'll be retiring. Me, I'll be commuting to work. Maybe so, hi guys, seriously, I'm so super proud of myself. I committed to work as early as 12:45, and seriously, I'm just going to do a little bit of editing the videos and yeah, I'll go clocking out to work. And I forgot to tell you guys, I did actually buy this book. You guys remember I was actually reading it, but I actually gave it was a friend, so he traveled before I could finish it. And this is a nice book, which is 15 Valuable Laws of Growth by John Maxwell. It talks a lot more about growth, how to make it intentional, how to find value in yourself, knowing that if you believe that you're valuable, that's why you can be able to add value to yourself as well. So I think it's a good read, and I recommend it to each and every one of you. And so far, anytime I read this, I do tell you guys about the book as well, so you guys can actually check it out. So yeah, I think you guys should read this. It's a good read. And yeah, I think that was all. We already started, and yes, I'm super proud of myself, to be honest. Like, I was actually wondering if I could be able to do this, but if you check our to-do list for today, check out to-do list for today, we smashed our goals. It's so, should I say, it's so crowded that we're just doing it right here, but let's just check it out. Check our goals for today. The goal for today is to read the scriptures, which I did. Shoot a day in the life video, which I just doing. Check out the apartment, which I just did. Do a trade recap, which I just did. Watch such a cap FX video. So I think this is something I'm going to wake up early in the morning, in the night to do. And our affirmation for today is I have everything I need to succeed, and I have everything I need to succeed, and I have everything I need to succeed, and I have everything I need to success, and I have everything I need to succeed. So strong, creative, resourceful, management oriented, and calm and reserved. And those were my words for today. And I'm glad I was able to utilize it. And let's just keep going. And I'm looking forward to what the future has for us. And so I hope this video was insightful and I hope it helped. So just know that routines are very important, and risk management is something that is going to keep you in the game even when you get burnt. So manage your risk. Do not risk more than what you're willing to lose. Okay, yeah, it's very important. As you can see now, that I know that it's because of I lost focus, and I was focusing on this apartment, trying to step into this new aspect of my life. My brain was just so occupied, and it's really a thing of joy that I've stepped into this and I'm experiencing it once again. And I think that part of my brain will be cleared now. I'm going into the new week. I'm still going to be sticking with my